Hello everybody, in this video I'll be discussing how to create a conditional form using Form Builder and InsuredMine. So first we're going to start off by going into Forms. And these first three steps I'm going to take are just going to be to build a general form. So first we'll start off with text fields here. We'll put in the name. So if somebody is filling out this form, they would have to put their name. Let's also add a couple more. So we'll go to Advanced. I'm going to put in email, so that way we can ask them to put in their email, save, and let's do phone number as well, and hit save. Now this next I'm going to take is going to be making that select drop-down menu, so that when you see that, it usually makes it a lot easier for people to fill out your form. So I'll go ahead and select this select button, and I'll drag and drop that right there. We'll put select the quote, and then from here we'll add this data. So what this is going to be the drop, when you hit that drop down menu when the person filling out the form does, this will be the options that they'll see. So we'll do auto, let's do home. And the reason why these are showing up in this drop down menu right now is just because I've made this form before, not to be confused, and other. So these will be the four options that they'll see when they're filling out this form and they select the drop-down menu. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now to make this a conditional form, I'm going to take this next step. I'm going to take drag and drop this text field right here. Here I'm going to put, let's put vehicle year. And again, like I said, this will be conditional, so I'll select this conditional button. We'll say if it's true, from the select the quote drop-down menu, and the value has auto. So it's a little confusing, so first I'm going to show you what this means. So let's hit save, and then we're going to go over to this right hand side and hit preview. So you'll see here, this is the name, email, and phone number, which we had. Then this is that select menu, the drop-down. These are those four pieces of data that we put in. So if we hit auto, vehicle year will show up. Now let's say I select home. There's nothing there. So let's go back and put in home address. So we'll go back, we're going to select another text field, drag and drop that. Let's put home address. Again, it's conditional. We'll select when it is true from the select the quote drop-down menu, and the value is home. So we'll go ahead and hit save. Now let's go preview this again. And we'll see here, remember when we selected home, nothing appeared. Now when you select home, home address appears. Additionally, if you select auto like it did in the first time we looked at this, the vehicle year will show up as well. We didn't lose that feature, but we did add this home. So you can do this for each of them from the drop-down menu, and this is how you make a conditional form using Form Builder.